How to add a name on bracket on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right and then tap on this gear icon. Move into personal and account information. Head over to name. Well, at the bottom you'll find the option of other names. Add a nickname or a birth name, so tap on it. Well, in the section of name, you need to enter the name that you want to add it on the bracket. And then tap on show at top of profile. Once you are done, tap on save. Well, the name has been added to the bracket. Now you can simply go back and head over to your profile. And there you can see the name in the bracket. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add a name in the bracket on Facebook. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.